Hello people of the internet. Since today's Halloween, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing of the zombie truck. I got this a while back before I went broke and can't afford to buy any new monster trucks. That X-Max that I bought, that I'm still saving to get batteries for. Although I got a couple places I cased out the joint, see if I can get my hands on some money. But here we have the zombie truck that I picked up at my local hobby store with a coupon, if they have coupons, lots of coupons. Shop local, and don't have to pay that much because these happy little toys are very expensive, but worth every penny. And this one in particular, since it's Halloween, is a spooky, cool Halloween type RC truck. I probably can't see it, so I'm going to take it out of the package. Added to my collection of LMTs that I currently have. So yes, I have all of them. If you're paying attention to my YouTube channel, you will see that it all started with something like that. That is an LMT with different wheels. TRX forward body on it, but it does have an LMT underneath it. And I think the only thing upgraded was the shocks. It's all show, no go. Well, they go. If you have one, you know. They go. So there you have it, people. Zombie. Pretty cool. Can't believe someone came up with a body like this, but they did. We have some flexible arms, great for stoppies on the front, but everything else is the same, with the beefier suspension, and drive shafts look slightly different than the original ones. Maybe, I don't remember now. They're tapered more or something, but these are definitely beefier. This has the black chassis, which I'm very excited about, and mounts to the body in a different way, which I'm also very excited about because Proline came out with bodies, and I've gone so far as to pick up a cage, and I want to get the Proline body, but funds are at a halt at the moment. So I'm going to get a Proline body and put this cage underneath it. If you do decide to get this, on a side note, get the little washers. If you see in there, maybe not the light, there is a silver washer that I pirated from somewhere else. But in the pieces that connect it, you need the washers, and they don't come with the kit, the cage, I mean. But this should work nicely to mount up one of those bodies, just like this is mounted up. So, hoping to cut out the chassis rails in the bed and mount a Proline body on it. I'm hoping for clear, but I may just get the blue one and decal it up. But there you have it. The LMT Mini clips on, no body pins. And these are the washers that I'm referring to that don't come with the cage when you buy the cage by itself. But there you have the zombie. Zombie. And then this is your standard LMT Mini with the black cage. Lots of things you can do with these. I like the wheels. These are my fake Cloudbuster wheels on the old Bigfoot, hiding behind it. Inside the box is your radio. Same as before. Make sure you buy a decal maker, at least a label maker. Put labels on stuff. Because when you have more than one LMT Mini or Spectrum radio, you can tell them apart. Comes with the charger, although there is a new charger that looks really nice but charges off of balance ports. So my recommendation is to use the adapter with your... Oops, almost dropped the radio. Use the adapter with your standard charger. I don't have any experience with this at all. I just use my adapter. Comes with a little mini adapter if you want for that for your charger, but definitely don't mess with the... I don't mess with the USB. I have this. So this is all I need to hook this up to my charger and get it ready for some bashing in the living room. So there you have it, people. The next LMT for my project to go along with the, still on transport wheels, the Megalodon, the Son of a Digger, and at the moment, the 30th anniversary Gravedigger Mini LMT. It's a hell of a collection. It's a hell of a lot of money. Can't wait for they to make the next one. So if you like what you see, click the like and subscribe button. And maybe I'll get out there and torment some Halloweener trick-or-treaters with the zombie truck while they're getting their candy. It's free food day, you know. So, click the like button if you like what you see. And subscribe for more monster truck RC fun. Have a nice day.